Okay, I'm moving to the Adult Clearance Show, Series 25. Subscribe if you haven't already. Also be sure to ring my bell, thumbs up this video, and also be sure to read down in the description below. Okay, yeah, for once me it's like color vision. I'm painting it crayon, not yet, but don't pinch it though. And here's your bed. Sorry, y'all. Just having turn this fire up. I mean, to you, I'm going to be making my son's video. Didn't happen yesterday. Sorry about that, guys. Man, I tell you what, I'm all excited about that, too. pay attention to that crying lady out there. Just pay attention to me. I had to put this on every day. Okay, y'all. Excuse me. Oh boy, that was a good one. Sorry about that. Hey guys. Don't pay any attention to that old lady crying out there. I have to listen to this, excuse me, I have to listen to this crap every day. Don't pay attention to her crying. Just watch me, okay? Just watch me. Don't pay attention to her. Pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay. Y'all hear? And I had to listen to that. I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out. I can't, I can't put up with this no longer. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna go back home. I can't put up with her. Can't put up with anybody else around here. I'm getting out of here. You can close your door, but they're so bullheaded they don't want to close your door. They're too bullheaded around here. I had to listen to that every single day. Every day she starts this stuff. But this time she starts it. She goes on and on and on. Every single day, guys. I'm tired of this. Just that, excuse me, but that crap right there, don't pay any attention to her. Okay? You just pay attention to me. I don't care this age or him or not. I don't care. I'm getting tired of this place. I'm getting out and I'm going back home. Okay, so yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that bell. Let's see. Oh, share this video. Let's see what I have to put it with y'all. You'll sit down. As far as these rude nurses mistreating residents and being rude to them, but now I have to put up with the old lady out there crying. I'm tired of this place and I want to go home. Cannot put up with a crying lady. Cries her eyes out every day, every hour on the hour. Cannot stand this crap. I'm sorry, guys, but that's how I feel. I'm tired of this place. I want to go home. This is not my home. I'm going to go home and do things I want to do. And that way I can do my videos for you guys, you know. Here, I found new pencils right now. Look. Okay. This is a new pencil sharpener. Let's see you guys how this pencil sharpener works. Okay, so you see this part right here? You unscrew this. And that's the pencil stuff. So here's the sharpener right here. So put this in there like that. Screw the top on it. And there's no batteries, no plug-ins. I'm getting out of here. By the way, you get one of these probably from Oh, she hush. I'm tired of that. Okay, so you can probably get one of these from Amazon.com, or you can order them through, through there, or you can probably find it in Walmart, somewhere like that. I'm getting tired of her. I'm getting tired of this place too. Okay, guys, that's it. So, thanks for watching. Bye.